Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. We are in North Fort Myers today at our office and it's 67 degrees. However, this is one of the few installs where temperature really doesn't matter. What I wanted to show you guys is how to install these grab handle deletes. Some of the members of the community don't even like the grab handle. They just think it gets in the way, and the passenger has easier access to get into this storage cubby without it. So we've made an acrylic piece of plastic with a design on it or without a design, and it can replace that handle. It's really cost-effective, really cheap solution found on our website. We can make different designs. As you can see right here, we have the distressed American flag. We have the field leading forward because we're on the passenger side looking at it this way. Vehicle goes that way, so the field always leads, never in retreat. I'm going to show you how to install this so you don't break it. Really simple, coming up real quick. All right, so of course the first thing we did was grab this Torx wrench from our Bronco toolkit. Everyone should have one of these. We removed the factory grab handle. You guys, if you have a base, you might have the grab handle delete, the factory one. You could remove that. And of course, it leaves these big, unsightly holes in there. So that's why this plate had to be as big as it was. Go ahead and insert the bolts into that and align with those holes, and then just tighten with your hands. You want this bottom lip to be under this, so just set it right on there. We don't want this to be too tight because you can crack the acrylic. We couldn't make it completely flat because it had to cover those holes, so it had to be tall enough to go over that. So that's why it can bend just slightly if you over tighten it. This acrylic material can be cleaned up really easily. If you get a little scratch on it, you can use rubbing compound and a microfiber and clean it up. When these come out of the etcher, we do use that combination to clean them up just a bit. So get this hand tight. It's good. And then just do a quarter turn on this. So a quarter turn wherever you start, just a quarter turn. That's a quarter of a circle. And then you can't really unscrew it with your hands, but it'll keep it in place. And there you have it. Like I said, we have a number of designs on our website. You can even suggest designs to us. If we think a lot of people will buy them, we'll go ahead and create those. So for these products and more, please visit our site at www.stickerfab.com.